Halo semuanya, selamat datang di channel saya Paper Stories.
Benjamin Holt Leroy is an American inventor of heavy equipment called the Traktor. He was born on January 1, 1849 and died on December 5, 1920. Tractors are used for agricultural purposes and heavy vehicle engineering. Besides that, they were also used in World War I for war purposes. The unique tractor wheels can spread the weight over a large area, thereby preventing the vehicle from sinking into soft ground. Holt founded his company together with his brothers as the Holt Manufacturing Company and obtained a related patent for tractor vehicles from a British company, Richard Hornsby and Sons of Grantham, England, in 1911. Benjamin Holt Leroy lives in a family that is accustomed to the activity of making wood to be used as vehicle wheels. This activity is carried out by the whole family, from his parents to his siblings. They are used to sending goods from one place to another. From this experience, Holt learned lessons from engineering and business. The Holt brothers formed the Stockton Wheel Company. The company prepared land for use in the arid valleys of California and the western desert. They started their business in the Central Valley of Stockton, California, where the climate is suitable for drying wooden wheels. Benjamin is recognized by his family as a genius mechanic and entrepreneur. Benjamin was able to restore a previously unproductive field. Benjamin Holt produced his first horse, called the Link Belt Combined Harvester. This machine uses a toothed flexible chain belt to transmit power from the working wheels to the ground mechanically. But at that time, Benjamin's tractor was still using horsepower instead of an engine. In 1890, Holt built the first steam-powered tractor engine, which he dubbed Old Betsy. The engine has specifications: 60 horsepower, 45 kilowatts, on a 24 feet, 7.3 meters long frame from a single 11 inches, 280 millimeters diameter, 12 inches, 300 millimeter stroke piston. The fuel used is firewood, coal, or oil. It carries 675 U.S. gallons, 2,560 liters, 562 imp-gal, of water, weighs 48,000 pounds, 22,000 kilograms, and rides on large metal wheels. Holt tractors could harvest large fields for 1/6 of the cost of horsepower. In 1892, the Holts produced a steam tractor capable of transporting 50 tons of goods at a speed of 3 miles per hour, 4.8 kilometers per hour. In that year also, Benjamin Holt became chairman of the company, and the company was founded as the Holt Manufacturing Company. One of the next innovations is to produce a harvester that can be used on the slopes of the hill. He added 2 separate wooden frames that allowed the drive wheels to be raised or lowered independently of each other. This allows the combine to operate on steep slopes such as 30 degrees while the threshing machine remains horizontal. However, the machine was 36 feet, 11 meters, wide and required 20 or more horses or mules to pull it. While more than 100 related patents for crawler-type tractor treads have been issued worldwide, all fail to work in the field. The center of innovation was in England, and in 1903 Holt traveled to England to learn more about sustainable development. Despite everyone having seen many failures, Benjamin returned to Stockton and took advantage of his knowledge and company. On November 24, 1904, in the fields around Stockton, California, he demonstrated the first successful track-type tractor. After the war, Holt focused less on agricultural machinery and was more serious about producing road-building equipment. On December 5, 1920, at the age of 71, Benjamin Holt died after a month's illness.